We have sound today. I believe we do. Welcome, everyone. Welcome back to the stream. One of these days, I'm going to start on time. My. But the good news is today is Friday, which means it's practically the weekend. Hope you have a good weekend all planned out and ready to go. And hopefully have some nice weather wherever in the world you may be. And welcome back to the stream. And this is the let's try to figure out how we can build a $1 million business, which is what we're trying to do. And today we are going to get back to working on our membership website. We're getting close to being done. Not quite there yet, but getting very close. We should be done by next week. And we're going to look at a little bit more of the design and make sure that everything's kind of finalized there. Before we get started into that, though, I do have an email that just came in from a client, or actually I just got back home from helping out with someone, and I got an email I need to take care of right now, or at least just to look over and see if I need to send them something. So bear with me while I get this done. So in the meantime, I think what I'll do is maybe just play some tunes. I mean, I'm playing tunes anyways, but way too loud. Let's turn that down. Okay, what are they asking for? They are asking for a presentation. You develop. Did I do that? Let me see. Let me check out my Dropbox. Could that be the one? Oh, that's not it. Mm-hmm. Not sure what to say about this. So they're just asking me about a specific project, which I don't know where it is and what it is. So I've done that. Sorry, a few more minutes here, I think, guys. But if you're watching into this future, you can fast forward a little bit, maybe about another 5 minutes at most. Okay, so I'm just going to, I guess, just drop these two presentations in. Okay. That is sent off and done. Wow, oops. I just closed all my browsers. We need to do some work. Okay, what do we want to do? We want to look at workflow. Okay, and right. Here we are. Okay, so let's dive right into this. Today is, of course, Pizza Friday, so I might have a couple hours here before we need to go start making some pizza. Interesting. Ooh, genre, publish it. Okay, cool. So I want to go into the reviews template. I got a little bit more information back from the client about what she wants on here. And so we have, all this information here. Publish date, the genre, which we have the genre up here. Which I don't know if it makes sense to keep it up there or to put it in here. In the recommendation, eh? Okay, I can show this. Maybe this can come up. So this is what I got back from the client. Is that going to focus? Yeah, I think it's going to focus. Can I see this? Okay. So we're talking about book details over here and whether it's recommended or not. Genre. I don't even know what that word says. I can't read that. And then like the rating. I think that's... Oh, the published date and then the rating from Goodreads. And then the book cover right over here. And then some stuff here on the side, which I think this is like latest posts. Yeah, latest news and latest review. And then here, just the review and like a buy now button right here. So I like the buy now button at the bottom. But what I'm going to think from this layout that I was given is I think we'll just make it a little bit more, I'm not going to say functional is the right word, but it's really this... Oh, I'm not pointing here at the right thing. It's really this section right here of how the book is going to be displayed. And I think here, just having the title and the author and then the buy now button is the least distracting, and it should draw the person into like, hey, if they really like it, they can go and they can click here and buy it. And I think I like having the tag for whether it's fiction or whatever category it is up front here. And then as you read. So I think I'm going to keep that as is and just let the client know why I think it works better that way. So what we're going to do though is we are going to put where am I at? Here we go. Pin this. we're going to put on the sidebar. And we're going to put maybe just something. Yeah, let's call it. No, let's call it just new reviews. And then what do we want? This is going to be newest book reviews, right? And then we're going to have a collection, and the source is going to be, I think it's going to be reviews. And we are going to, oh geez. Do you want the newest or the most popular? I think we'll just do newest for now. And we will go into the collection here, and we will, let's just say, how many should we have? Maybe 6 would be nice. And sort order, we're going to sort them not by title, but by published on. Oh, there's a problem too with published, because I think if you make an update and you publish it, it's going to be maybe updated on. Hopefully it's on the published. We'll keep that there for now. So published, newest to oldest. We'll save that. And yeah, that is what it's going to be. And we are going to go right in, and we are going to, actually it's going to be very similar. We're going to put, I got, say sidebar, like post image, so we might reuse that. And then, no, not that, where we want to get the background image. Thumbnail, yep. Go in there. Not fixed, cover, right in the middle. And we want this to be, I mean, this is a 2-column grid. Very simply. And layout grid. And keep that one for now. The sidebar post image, let's give it a height, oops, of say 150, but not pixels. We want that in EMs, so maybe that's about 8. That's a good aspect ratio, maybe 7. Radius, got pretty. I wonder with having the newest book reviews if we should, I'm just thinking about the title of the book. And like if we could do something kind of cool where you hover over it, then the title appears, as opposed to well, just having the title below. No, that's not very user friendly. Let's get the title of the book. We want the book title, not the book review title. Review author. I think it's here. Book author, book title. Right. Here we go. Yep. Very nice. Actually, on this column, I think what we're going to do. Oh, no. Let's unlock that. Yeah. So what do we have for text block? I think we just wanted a small title. It's actually too big from what I'm thinking. So let's try just sidebar post title 1.1 line height. There we go. Color black. Keep it at that. So that's global small title. We can go here, add. Bottom 2, I think would be good. Actually, just 1 would be fine. Rename this to bottom 1. Okay. I like that. So we're going to call this, just new reviews, because the next one we're going to do it a little bit differently. It's going to be new posts, and we're just going to put them in titles. Yeah, let's just do that now. New blog posts. We're going to want a collection. Source is blog posts. And we're going to steal this title. And this is new blog posts. And excuse me. And the new blog post, we are going to want title, a text block, and we're going to get the actual title of the post. And actually, do we want just a regular link? Yeah. Just a regular link. current blog post, and we want it to be the title. Good. Just maybe a sidebar link. Or sidebar, yeah, post link. Okay. It's hard to tell which one's which. Okay, that's one. That's one. Let's give it a margin at the bottom. It won't like me to do that. I guess we can put it here. I'll throw in a utility. Yeah, that's way too much. There we go. We'll have to, oh, excuse me, my goodness. We'll have to figure out what we're going to do with the link styling in terms of colors. So that is also on the to-do list. Okay, I like that. Oh, no, hang on. Hang on. This needs a link. The whole thing in a link. Sidebar post. I already have that. Link. This is a link block. Okay. Does this not work? Oh, I didn't put in the actual link. That might help. Current review. Yes, please. Yes, please. And this is the review of this book, which doesn't have a picture. That's okay, because it's not a real review just yet. What are these three again? These three things? I think, well, I can just go here and see what related books. BR content, book review content, post author. Okay. We need if you liked this book, you might also like these. Right? I think so. Oh my goodness. I am really tired. I woke up this morning super early and I just couldn't fall back asleep. I really don't like when that happens. I'm getting old. One second, email. Okay. Okay. Sorry, I sent something to someone and I couldn't find it, so just have to help them through there. Okay. So I think this is also, this is my go-to. And give them a bottom one. Look at that. I think we might. One last thing here. This is just small call to action. And yes, get URL. It's a purchase link. It's like buy it now. Yeah, this is buy now. Or just buy it. I think we'll have I'll try out like a button full. We're gonna make this the full width. You need to be centered. And because it's full, we're definitely gonna increase its size here. this fine as is. Well, no, this. And don't know if that's the right word, like buy it. But we can keep it like that for now and then see what else. See if anything else, you know. See if it changes later on as we populate this thing with some real content. There you go. Well, that's not too bad. We might make it a different color than this one. I'm not sure yet. Don't know yet. You know, maybe we can make it. So, I mean, we could say 100%, but let's make it no more than like something like that. Yeah, I don't want to take it up the whole. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. Okay. Give it a little bit more room since the font is much bigger. Okay. If you like these books, this book, you might also like these ones. Yep. Excellent. Excellent. Okay, I think we're coming along nicely. Okay, let's have a look here. We have welcome to bookmarked. Blah, blah, blah. Yep. So the reviews themselves. I like it. And then the blog. Okay. There's a call to action. Then we have the reviews template, which I think we were just at, which is looking good. You know what? This here, I mean, we need to have some conditional attributes here to say, well, can't we put, how come we can't put conditional visibilities on these? Maybe we have to put it on all the things in here. Maybe we'll just wrap it around something then. So like, As long as it's set, then it'll show up in here. Okay. That's what we want. And we'll do that for everything. Perfect. So we don't need to give this one a class because it's just a div that is not doing anything. So if there's related books, then it's going to show this, or at least one, right? So I don't think we need to do this, but if the review author is set, right? So if there's no review author, then we're not going to show that. Same call to action. If there's a purchase link. Good. And for the blog post, if the post author is set. And here there isn't one, but I think in other ones, I think I set one. Yeah. The only thing that's giving me a little bit of pause here is the quote. And how it's sticking out. Oh, excuse me. So let's see if we can just have a look at this. We want to make that into a quote. And we want this to be rich text so we can play around with it. Excellent. Okay, so all block quotes, rich text. Yeah. Do I have these italicized? Yes. Okay, that's much better already. But do we, oops. Whoa, whoa, whoa. I feel instead of going out, it should go in. Yeah, that's better. And do we want to give it a little bit more of a padding? Say it the same. Yeah, that works much better. Much better. Okay. So let me see what a review page looks like. Yeah, much better. Much better. This image here, 0.3. Nice. Do I need that for the blog post image as well? Probably. Not height. What am I doing? 0.3. Excellent. The only thing that is missing is an about page. But are we going to have an about page? I think we are, but it's going to be simple. Quite simple indeed. Okay, so let's duplicate. Bookmarked is home to these people who love to curl up by the fire and read books all day long. Well, I don't know if I'm going to be able to stay awake. I am so tired. My goodness. I don't know if I'm going to have enough energy to get into like doing the commenting and all that kind of stuff today. Might postpone that till Monday. Oh, if I can just fight trying to stay awake. Okay. Okay. Oh. Delete that. We'll just call this about page. And I don't know. And then we're going to have, no, I'm not going to have anything. Okay, so this about page, we're just going to grid it to our classic 3 EMs spacing in between both of them. And we are going to we'll throw in some rich text, which will make it easy for them to edit instead of just paragraphs. And just like that. And then we have another one there. And then the about page. We shall give that some space. If there's anything else that's going to be added here later, like images, then we'll add them in. That's all there's to it. I feel like this one needs a much wider gap. That's good. And then let's also good. Good. Okay. Okay. So what do we need to do? Let's just see that. Open a special account. Oh goodness. Okay. Where's the file? R. Okay. So we're going to have to take a quick detour here. We're gonna have to open up this page. And we are going to, what are we gonna do? I think we need to add a session here. I think we are. Let's have a look. Okay. Discard changes. We are going to need a new session. No, none of that yet. How did that get italicized like that? Strange. Probably because it was italicized in the where I cut and pasted it from. The link, yeah, no, we want to update the link. Okay, all of this. No italics. Okay. And we do need to take this. We can publish that. We do need to take it to the homepage should have that. if I search it, yeah, it's on there. Perfect. But on the abstract submission page, this is where I messed up and did not connect this drop down to the database. Maybe at some point I will later. MEC, you go up here. Nope. One down. There we go. And let's publish this. And let's just make sure it's there. Mechanized approach to supporting precision soil management. Correct. And let's go home. Let's look at the program. Mechanized approaches to supporting precision soil management. There. Okay. So a new session for this conference. And yeah. And that's that. It's 100 days. If you're not there, get your tickets. June 26th to June 29th. Should be fun. Okay. Sorry, I had to do a little detour. Duty call sometimes. I find that whenever a client asks for something, I try to get done as soon as humanly possible. You know, I always tell everybody, 24, 48 hours, but I generally do it like as soon as I get it. It's kind of one of those, was it under deliver, over promise? No, under promise, over deliver, something like that. So I'm just going to reply, let them know that it's done. Sorry, the client was just asking about something about like the registration process, so I'm just answering right now. if you... I'm happy to help in any way that I can to... I'm happy to help in any way I can to avoid unnecessary DAO. Yeah. Unnecessary. I'm happy to help in any way that I can. Oh my gosh. Special account. Oh, it's so weird. Okay, sent. That's good. Okay, back to business. Or this other business. Okay, so where did we leave off? We have our about page done. Okay. I think let's give this maybe a little more. Yeah, I'll be good for what this is for. So this is a section subheading. That's a hero subheading. It's 1.3. That's also 1.3. That's better. Okay. So we need to edit this and get that linked up. correctly. Same thing for here. Page, about. So let's look at our pages here. I mean, we're pretty basic here. Do I want to spend a lot of time styling this? I don't know. Name is always first. I don't, oops. Where do I set up the users? Backups, general. I mean, is it just in here? Yeah, I don't want to have this accept communications and privacy buttons. Especially since I don't think I can do anything with it. Now, where is it? It's gonna setup guide. Go to products. Go to user account settings. I know there was somewhere. Is it just in here? Oh yeah, we just throw them out from here. I mean, accept communications. And I mean, can you not change this? Yeah. Something like that. So checkbox label. Oh, that's weird. Oh, right. That's weird. No, it's not because it's from the other one. Okay, so let's go. This is the portal label. Portal checkbox label. This is weird. We don't need that. 1 point. Maybe just one even. 1.2. Okay. And this is portal label. And this is just input field. Yep. Okay. Let's give this one a bottom of 1. That's better. How do we... Okay, that's not how we do our pages. What do we do? We got all these things. Let me take a snapshot of this. Paint. Huh. Of course he's going to do that. Sorry, setting off another email because I might end up having to do something here with registrations and collecting all the money. Oh, crazy. Dealing sometimes with larger organizations is a pain. You can't just do something. You got to go through like 1,000 different layers of bureaucracy, and it's like some things you wonder if things are just created just to give people jobs. It's crazy. It's crazy. Oh, okay, what's going on here? No, cancel that. Okay, So I was just about to go back to the sign up page, and we have a body. We have just a wrapper like so. And then we have the sign up block, which is giving us all kinds of weird funkiness over here, which we don't want. In fact, is it the width? What's going on with the width here? There's something about why does this wrapper have a max width of 340? Maybe I just need to do this? No. Why is it only this doesn't make sense. Max width of 340. Like if I go here, wrapper, there's no max width set at all. It could be because of whatever class I renamed this thing. Okay, let's put a brand new one in here. There we go. Whatever this is, it's garbage. Okay, that's better. Oh, but we also need to throw this in a container. Do we though? Maybe. And you know what else we want? We want the header. And then we're going to go with our hero section, well, which is just in a div. Hero, and and this is just going to say join, whoops, join bookmarked. Where's this part? There we go. That's this whole form header part. We can delete you. And sign up form block. We are going to, this one, we're going to set the max width. Let's see. Something like this is good. Can we center this? We certainly can. Excellent. We will fix responsiveness as well. And this is checkbox field. Subscribe option. Okay. I can make do with this. So that's the sign up page. Here's the login page. We're gonna, whoop, go back. I'm gonna go back to this page. screenshot for me to keep track of. Any new email? Nope. That's good. Let's go to the login page. Heading. Log into bookmarked. Okay. Just call this the same thing. Sign up form block. That is a button. And this is deleted. And one thing I didn't put in the other one is the footer. Exit. Oh, no, it needs to be inside the container, I do believe. For now, that might change. At least I think it does, right? Yeah, in the container. So input field. All right. Bottom one. Bottom one. Reset password. What the heck? What just happened? Container. Another div, and this is hero. Oh, I forgot something. That's okay. I forgot the header. And this is sign up form block. This is button. This is input. And then also bottom one. I think we want, is there a portal? Yeah, portal label, which I didn't do to any of the other ones. Okay, excellent. Oh, updating password. Oh, I'm losing the fight to stay awake. Oh. Okay, come on. I'll do this mindless stuff, which doesn't require too much brain power. Okay. Oh, why did I move it? It's container. And then let's put in the header. And let's put in another div, which is our hero. And in there we have our heading. You know, I could probably just copy and paste this stuff. Update password. Let's just copy this right now. Is there any other pages? Access denied. And user account. User account is a little bit different, but where am I going? Where was I? Yeah, update password. Let's update this password. Or update this page. No, undo that. This whole thing's got to go up. What is this called again? Sign up form block. Button. Something label. Portal label. And this is input field. Bottom one. Excellent. Yep. Good. And access denied. I don't mind this. Well, don't worry. It's free to join, and we're gonna link to sign up. Oh, what just happened? Why does it do that? What the hell? Oh, are you kidding me? I mean, having a footer here seems kind of ridiculous. You just access denied them. Okay, and then the user account. See, like, this is what's so frustrating about MemberStack, about the membership in Webflow, is that you can't even get the user's name. Like, why can't I pull the username from here? Like, from the database, from the user account? Like, that can't be difficult to do, can it? And like, all we get is we give them the ability for them to like update their name and their email address in a form field. I mean, that's pretty crappy. But it's what we got. Okay, so it won't let us out. It's like we can't get out of this wrapper here. I got some borders around everywhere. My. I don't think. Oh, I can delete that. Okay, well. So, portal label. Input field. Bottom one. Portal label. Input field. Bottom one. So click here if you would like to reset your password. We don't need a whole heading for that. And here is it's in the sign up. No. Subscribe. So that's a button. This is also a button. Cancel button. Right. You know what? Instead of doing this, we're just gonna oops. So cancel button. I'll have it there. Still 0.3. And the text is dark. There we go. Okay. So that's it for all these user account pages. Okay. So what do we have left to do? So I'm exhausted. So what are we going to do tomorrow? Let's shut this down here. Okay. Or on Monday, I should say. So we have one more day of kind of doing some design work. The links are a big thing. I always want to make sure I have really good links. So we get the links done. We want to make sure we can see, well, we want to see if we can find some icons for these features for what you get if you join. And then we want to, what do we want to do? Then I think, yeah, some design, we got some links, the images. I think we want to go into this and we need to get these stars working. We need to finalize, make sure everything is right with our actual, it's not the ratio, but the proportions of our fonts. Make sure that our font sizing is good when we're looking at normal font, which I can tell right now is going to be too small. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to get the comments working. And then we're going to also get the, what are they? Let's go to the homepage. We're going to get the comments working. We're going to get the request reviews, which is just going to be basically a form. And then in the My Account. And then we're going to get to the rate each book. So, and the rating system. So, yeah, that'll take about like a longer day, maybe 2 days because of, well, like 3 hours to implement the comments and the review request and the ratings. It won't be too long because we're going to be very simple and we're not going to be tracking. We can't track which user is going to leave which comments. So we're just going to say like a user has left a comment and maybe get them to put their name or an email address in. And then that's it. Then we just associate that. So we just can't have somebody with have multiple emails. So somebody could, in theory, spam and put in a whole bunch of different reviews, but we'll know. I mean, if there's 2 people that are signed up and there's like 10 reviews, then someone's gaming the system, right? So, and to what purpose? I don't know, right? To have more reviews. It's not it's not something that I don't think anyone's going to spend too much time trying to dummy. So by the time the site takes off and there's lots and lots of members and lots of reviews lots of comments and lots of people doing ratings, then hopefully what am my train of thought? Hopefully Webflow will have fixed and made some enhancements on the membership software, because right now it's just too low. It's just lacking too many things to make a truly good membership website with. So again, really good for just gating content and having people sign up and just it's like a one-way street. Get the people to get in and consume your content, but it's not good for that interaction, which is what I want. So okay, so that's that. And Friday, happy Pizza Friday. If you're having pizza today, well, enjoy. I know I will. And as always, thank you for stopping by. If you have any thoughts, just let me know in the comments below. Super helpful. And hopefully you found this video somewhat, helpful if you're trying to, just learn Webflow and do a little bit of work in there. I don't know. Whatever it is, hopefully it's working out for you. All right, guys, thank you as always for watching, and enjoy the weekend, and we'll see you on Monday.